Hello there, my name is Valerie White-Williams, and today I'm talking to you about how to get more watch time by adding cards. And cards are the little things that you see on the upper right, they're little circles, and it suggests other videos that people can watch. So it's important to actually build our watch time because YouTube gives more video prominence to videos that show up more. If you keep watching, you keep watching, you keep watching, it adds to your algorithm, the mysterious algorithm. So I'm going to show you where to put cards on in the YouTube studio and how to do it. And so I'm going to show you how to go in there and do cards. All right, so I'm going to go to Loom because I like to use Loom for my tutorials, and I'm going to show you exactly where to do it and how to do it. So follow me there. Hi, okay, so here I am on Loom, and this is my channel. And so I had just edited a video today that I wanted to add 2 cards to. So here we are, we're going to go into content. And we are going to go, see, I haven't even edited it all. Here's the first video, and I'm going to go in, and so you have to click the details. So here is where we're going to find the card menu, right here, cards, right here. And this is those little circles, that's what you see. So I'm going to go click there, and then it's going to show my video. So what you want to do is you want to find the spots where you want to apply them. And so you can kind of play with it. And I'm going to go through here and see if it'll come in. Yeah. Okay, so that's the new video. So I know I talked about the 48 hours thing. So I'm going to see if I can find it. Is it something people are... Okay, so and this is the trick, is you kind of have to kind of dive in to where it is. Yeah, and I should have gone through this first. And I always put my titles into Google. I think I'm going to go back a bit further. Sorry, there we go. Know that I need to fix the thumbnail. The thumbnail is... Okay, this is, I'm going to start here. So we're going to watch this for a while. Stats from how your video is performing, and then after the 48 hours... Okay, see, I talked about the 48 hours. That wasn't too bad. So the 48 hours, so I'm going to add a video for that 48 hours. So what you're going to do is you're going to go click. So you can have a video playlist or channel, but I'm going to go into that 48-hour video. Click that, and it should show up some of your popular videos. You're gonna gotta find it. 48 hours, please be there. And if I don't do it, I'll have to search for it. There it is. What to do? 48 hours after uploading. So there it is, and it gives you some opportunities. You can just have it say the video 48 hours after publishing. That's what I'm going to leave, but you can also have a custom message or a teaser. But I don't know, I want to see that. So this is what it looks like. So you see that 48 hours after publishing, what to do. So actually, I'm going to say what to do. I'm going to change it. What to do after uploading. And you can always go back in here and change it if you don't like it. To do after or best results. I don't know. I might change that later, but you know, it's something like that. Okay. And the video card, why doesn't it want me to do that? Okay, that's too long. So actually, I won't do that. I guess those are really short, so I'm just going to leave it. Okay, so there, that, and press save. And then I have another one where I go into, looks like I have to go in it again. There we go. And I was right in here where I was talking about getting good titles. So I'm going to go click in here and see if I can find it. Okay, that's probably not what it is. 48 hours of publishing. Let's go into here. Okay. So it can be kind of tricky unless you write it down.
This is what we're looking for. Click through rate. And I told you is like impressions. Impressions mean how they show your video across the platform. So this one is at 6.9. That actually is a great rate. And to be honest, I have been lazy because here's the deal. This channel...
Let me see, that's not quite right.
Views and subs are down. So what I'm
going to go right here.
4.9 is kind of average. Some people... all these other stats. And I've already done a video on how to...
Okay, found it. So this is, I talk about my other video. So I've already done a video on the stats. So now I'm gonna do another one, and I'm gonna pick another card. So I'm gonna click this card, video, put a card there. And I'm gonna do one of my videos where I talk about the analytics and having good titles. So let me find that. Where is it? YouTube, nope, that's not it. Google Words, yeah, this is my favorite video. Google title keyword research, because that's really important. So you actually are titling your videos using words that people are looking for. So I'm gonna do that one. There we go. And press save. And it's done. So I have 2 cards on that video. Now you can put as many as you want, but I like to use the cards when I refer to previous videos, and that makes a lot of sense. So I hope this was helpful. It's pretty easy, and once you know where to go and what to do, that's how we will increase that watch time. All right, follow me back. All right, so I hope you can see just how easy it is to add cards to your video, because I usually use cards to show the videos where I talk about another video, but to be honest, you can put any cards you want, as many as you want, and who knows, you're just kind of throwing out some things to get people to watch your content. And let me know if this is something that you've done. Has it worked for you? I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And also I want to let you know that I have a free Facebook group called YouTube Success Strategies. I upload all my videos in that group, and I also offer free training and teachings and community of people that are building a YouTube channel. So you can find all the information below in the description. All right, take care. Bye.